Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Is my voice on screen is confirmed to me, guys? Please type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen. Please confirm to me. Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Right. Good morning, guys. Right. Is it good morning or good evening? No, I think so. Good morning. Good evening or good morning? Huh? Right, sir. Order it may be. I think so. As per my plan, as per my view, fan. As per my view, whenever we are meeting first time on the day, it may be evening or it may be afternoon. I think so. We may say good morning. Am I right? That doesn't matter. Java doesn't require good morning and good evening. At all the times, Java is available, right? Anyway, guys, and one small information to you. This is not our original classroom. Actually, we have a classroom at the fifth floor. There nearly 700 members capacity room is available, but where some flooring work is going on. So due to that reason, just a first class, only this class, today's class, I'm taking in this classroom. Okay. So next class onwards, we will go to that room only. There we are able to have comfortable environment. Even if you are not feeling good up to today, then don't worry for it. In the next class onwards, we have very good classroom there where some flooring work is going on. That's why I'm taking this. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Is it clear? Right, nice. See, please, all of you, 1 minute I'm telling to you. Take this URL in our notes. All of you are getting notebooks and pens. Yes, take this URL. Take this URL. https:// tinyurl.com/core java 6 p.m. notes. All of you, please take this. https:// tinyurl.com/core java 6 p.m. notes. Core Java 6 p.m. notes. Okay. See, why I'm giving this URL to you? In our mobile phones, maybe in our laptops, maybe in our systems, maybe. If we click on this URL, if you open this URL, my regular class notes will be available for you. That we can view, that we can download in our system. So every day, whatever the notes I'm typing inside the class now, the total notes we are able to get into your system. Not required to send separately this particular notes. Just if I type some data in my document, automatically that will come to you if we use this URL. At your home today itself, store or keep this URL safely in your system. Take one text file on your desktop. Inside the text file, then save this core Java 6 p.m. notes like this. Whenever we require that note there, just open this URL. There we are able to get the document. Already I have given download option even for it. We can download at any point of time. That's the first thing here I'm telling to you guys. Okay, nice. Leave it. Not required here. And today I'm taking this class in both offline and as well as on like what they know online. Now this demo class is going on in both offline and as well as like what they're online. Try to understand it. No need to have any doubt on this. No, both are available here. We can observe carefully. Apart from this, what is the next point here I'm telling to you? Today, just I want to go for some introduction class here. Today, just I want to go for like what there's some introduction class. What exactly the meaning of Java? What's the meaning of the Java? Why Java is available? And if we want to go for Java programming language, what exactly the things we have to learn? What is there inside the market? What is trending in the outside market? How software industry is going on? What is your next plan of action to complete our course? What benefits we are able to get by joining these courses at Durga Soft, especially in my classes, what we are able to get? Everything we are going to understand today. Whatever the commitments I want to provide in the next duration, today we are going to finalize it. As per that commitment, we are going to work. That's it. So this is the today total agenda, what I'm planning there. But first of all, let's see some introduction content for Java. Some introduction content here we have to understand for what there Java. Now try to understand this clearly. Right, son. All of you observe carefully. Understand this now. All right, I'm asking this question to you guys. Java is available in how many parts there? Now tell me what you are understand about Java. Can I say first one is like what there core Java? First one is like what there core Java, and second one is like what there? Can I say advanced Java? Second one is like what there advanced Java, and third one is like what there J2EE. Come on, guys. Can I say like this? Java is available in three parts. First one is a core Java, second one is advanced Java, and the third one is J2EE. Can I say like this? Definitely. Now, before coming to this class, you might be have awareness on only this classification. Java in the sense only how many parts are available? Three parts. What are the three parts of the Java? Core Java, advanced Java, and what next one? No, J2EE. Yes, all of you are following these points, no? Right, sir. Sir, your response is very, very important. In general, these are the three parts here we are going to understand inside the Java. Fine. Now, what I am telling to you, whatever the classification I have written on this screen, forget about this classification. Just forget about this classification. This is not the right classification which is provided by Sun Microsystems. Whatever the classification here by provided, no, this is not the right classification provided by Sun Microsystems. Sir, what is this Sun Microsystems, sir? First time I'm hearing this Sun Microsystems. What is this actually? I'm asking one question to you. Now try to answer for it. Windows is an operating system. Am I right or not? Windows operating system provided by which company? Microsoft. Windows operating system was provided by Microsoft. Very good. Next one. Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. Am I right or not? Now the database product was provided by which company? Oracle database was provided by which company? Are yaar, Oracle Corporation. What's that company name there? Oracle Corporation. Similarly, Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language that was provided by Sun Microsystems initially. Java was provided by which company? Sun Microsystems initially. Right, sir. I want to say one point. No, Java is like a female. Java is like a female. Then male and female, only two categories in outside world. Male is okay, leave it. No, I'm talking about female. Java is like what there, a female, born at one place, but surviving at another place. Am I right? I think so. Don't take in wrong way here. The point is what I am telling there. In general, female are born at mother's home, right? Am I right or not? But after getting married, they have to go for what they know, some other home. Of course, nowadays boys are coming to their uncle's place, right? Am I right or not? Definitely, sir. It's a case are available. Only the point is what I am telling to you. If a madam is working in a company IBM, sir is not having any job. What he has to do? Madam is having job, but sir is not having job. Then what he has to do? He has to come to his uncle's place only, right? Okay, that is a different story. Later I will talk about it. No, but the scenario is Java born at Sun Microsystems. Java born at Sun Microsystems and growing up at Oracle Corporation. Java is grown up at what they know, Oracle Corporation, but born at Sun Microsystems. That's why I'm saying just Java is like what care, no, female care. Understand it clearly, right? So leave this punch care anyway. So whatever the classification here, we are saying this is not the right classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is provided by Amirpet Institutes only, including Durga Soft. I'm not saying excluding Durga Soft. No. This classification is provided by institutes as per their comfort, as per their business model. They divided in this way. But Sun Microsystems has not given Java in this way. Okay, sir. I understood. Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE classification is not provided by Sun Microsystems. Tell me, this is wrong calculation. This is wrong classification that I know. But first of all, tell me, what is right classification? What is right classification? What Sun Microsystems has given? Please tell that information to me now. If we go over this point, I'm telling to you clearly, observe carefully. Java is provided by Sun Microsystems in the three parts as it is. What are the three parts here now? Observe carefully. The first one is like what I'm telling to you, J2SE. The first one is like what there? J2SE. In other words, Java SE. Next one, the second one is J2EE, or maybe it is like what there, Java EE. And third one is like what there, J2ME, or we can say like what there, Java ME. All of you are getting my point clearly? All of you are understanding this point clearly? So overall, the Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts? You know, J2SE or Java SE, J2EE or Java EE. Next one is like what there, J2ME or Java ME. In the form of these three parts only, Java is existed clearly. This is the right classification provided by Sun Microsystems, which is not provided by Amirpet Institutes. This is provided by Sun Microsystems. That is the home of the Java. Home company of the Java is what there. Mother of the Java is what there. Sun Microsystems. Initially, Sun Microsystems has given Java in the form of these three modules: J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, or simply Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME. Guys, I'm asking this question to you now. Tell me, how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Java SE, Java EE, and what next one there now? Java ME. These are the three parts are available inside the Java. Then immediately I have a question, sir. Overall, these three parts are available. As per verses, I understand. Clear. These are the three parts in Java. Now onwards, if anybody is asking a question to me, what are the parts are available inside the Java, in the sense, I will not say core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. I have to say J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Okay, fixed. No problem. But my doubt is, What is the purpose of J to SE? What is the purpose of J to EE? What is the purpose of J to ME? If anybody else is asking the question, what are the parts inside the Java? If I give reply J to SE, J to EE, J to ME, immediately that people are asking to me, what is the purpose of each and every part? There, at least I have to give some answer for that question. By the time we have to give the answer like what there, first we have to understand like what there, J to SE or Java SE. Now here, what we are going to understand from this particular one, all of you observe carefully. That very first point here, what I am telling there, understand clearly. What is this J to SE? If you observe this, Java 2 Standard Edition. Abbreviation I am telling to you, Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. Abbreviation I'm telling there. Java Standard Edition or Java 2 Standard Edition. Again, I'm having doubt, small doubt. Okay, sir. J2SE in the sense Java 2 Standard Edition. But I have a doubt, sir. Why the 2 is available in the middle of the name? Why some people have included the 2, number 2? Is there any significance for this number 2? Is there any significance for this number 2? People may ask this question to you. Then I'm giving clarity for you. Now try to understand this point clearly, guys. All of you know. This naming convention J to SE, J to EE, J to ME are provided along with Java second version of the Java. Because of this particular point, number 2 was included in its version name. J to SE, J to ME, J to EE in the sense major changes, the complete Java. Initially, before second version of the Java, little bit Java is available, small Java is available. But in the second version of the Java, huge number of enhancements are available. More and more number of enhancements are available. 75% of the Java was provided along with the second version of the Java. Because of that reason, that number 2 was included inside this name J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. Because of the second version significance, number 2 was included. Later on, when the fifth version of the Java is coming into the picture, again more number of enhancements are added in our Java. From that point onwards, that number 2 was removed. From that point onwards, people are saying Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Up to fifth version of the Java, J2 is available. Right from fifth or sixth version onwards, huge number of changes are available again in Java. That's why they removed number 2 from their naming convention. From that point onwards, Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME, that names are available. Guys, are of you following my points now? Clear to all of you know? Right, nice. Okay, sir. Abbreviation, I know, sir. Abbreviation is very simple. Even I can search in the internet, I can get it, no problem. What it will provide actually? In Java, in the complete Java, in the total Java programming language, what is the role of the J to SE? What J to SE is providing to me? That I want to know. If you want to know about the purpose of J to SE, if you want to know the purpose of J to SE, only one point here I'm telling to you. That point is like what there? It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. It will cover only what they know, fundamentals of Java programming language. It will cover the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Okay, sir. What is this fundamentals of the Java programming language? I will give a list of these fundamentals. No need to worry for it. Right, sir. Now understand this. With these fundamentals of the Java programming language, what I am able to do? Do I prepare any separate application on the basis of the fundamentals? Is it possible for me to prepare any one particular type of program, any one particular type of application in outside here now? Is it possible for me? If we observe this particular point here, with J to SE, that is with the fundamentals of the Java programming language, we are able to prepare only standalone applications. Come on, guys. We have to understand this. We are able to prepare which type of applications? No, standalone applications with the only fundamentals of the Java programming language. We are able to prepare only standalone applications. Then again, I'm having a question. What's my question here? No, sir, you have used the word standalone application. What is this standalone application? I want to know that. What is the meaning of this standalone application? No? Right, sir. Answer is very clear. Now try to understand it clearly. If we listen carefully, all of you listen carefully, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as standalone application. Digest my points here. What is the definition I've given for standalone applications? No, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what they know, standalone application. Come on, guys, repeat along with me. What is a standalone application? If we design and execute any application, tell me, without using what? Without using what? Client server application, client server architecture. Without using client server architecture, or another one is like what there? Without distributing application logic over multiple missions, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as, what is this application here? Now tell me. Standalone application. That application is called as like what there? Standalone application. Understand this point clearly, what I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. This is what exactly the meaning of like what there? Standalone application. Okay, sir. I understood this point here. I should not use what there? I should not use client server architecture. I should not use client server architecture. Okay, or else without distributing application logic, if we design and execute any application, that application is called as what they know? Standalone application. Let's see this punch here. I'm telling to you clearly. I want to give some diagram for this particular one. All of you observe this clearly, guys. Listen carefully. Guys, people are asking one question to me. Is it core Java or full stack Java? As the course today is a full stack Java, part of that full stack Java, I'm taking core Java class. Today is a demo for full stack Java. Part of that full stack Java, I'm taking demo for what their core Java. Both we can understand. Core Java and full stack Java, basic Java, complete Java packages. All we are starting today. Try to understand it clearly. Right, guys. Now observe carefully here what I'm telling to you. For example, this is my computer. Guys, all of you observe carefully. This is my computer. Now here inside this computer here, what I provided here, not required. Understand it clearly. Now inside this computer, all right, sir. Now I'm going to prepare a Java application inside my computer. Here we prepared like what there? A Java application here I prepared. This is my Java application. Any application, not exactly Java application here. Any application here we prepared now. Now inside this we provided some code, some instructions here we have written. Understand it here. Inside this instruction, some instructions here we have written. All right, sir. Then after completion of this, understand these instructions here. Something else, some instructions, some coding part here we prepared here. Observe carefully. Whenever we prepare this Java program here in a computer or in a mission, this I want to say like what there a mission. Why I'm saying this is a mission now every time. I don't say it is a computer. Why? Because why I'm saying it is a mission now. Java is not only for computer. Java can run in mobile application. Java can run in like what is some hardware kind of things. Java can run in all the missions now. Nearly 3 billion devices runs Java. So that's why I don't want to say only computer. I want to say that mission may be anything. That will be simply what they know, a mission. It may be mobile phone or it may be some hardware system. it may be some parking meters, it may be some signaling system, it may be anything, any system where Java is running, that I want to say as a mission. Try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now I prepared this Java program here clearly. There itself I'm compiling my program. There itself I compiled my program. There itself I executed my program. My program is asking input to me. I entered input in the same mission. My program is taking input in the same mission. My program is executed there. My program is out giving output in the same mission. How many missions I have used there? How many missions I have used there? Is that only one mission or multiple missions now? Is that only one mission or multiple missions? Can no, only one mission. There I've used only one mission. Okay, inside this mission only I prepared my program, I compiled my program, I executed my program, I given input to my program in the same mission, I got output from the program in the same mission. Even I don't have any two missions, even I don't have any client server architecture, even I don't have any internet connection also, even I don't have any LAN connection also. My total application logic I provided within a single computer, where client server architecture is not available. Their client server architecture is not available. My everything I provided within the same computer. This is exactly called as what there? Standalone application. This is exactly called as what there? Standalone application. Guys, all of you are getting clarity what exactly the meaning of standalone application? What is the meaning of the standalone application? All of you are getting clarity on this? Right, sir. Now here I provided some diagram. Now try to understand this diagram clearly. That's okay, fine. This is the meaning of standalone application here, what I have given there. Already the diagram I provided, try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, what next one here? I am telling to you after completion of this. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Right, sir. Now this is what exactly the meaning of standalone application. Don't worry. Is it visible? Is it visible now? Right, sir. Now observe carefully. Next one is after completion of this particular one, tell me any example for standalone application. Sir, up to now, whatever the points you said to me, that is clearly like what there. Right, sir. Java SE or J2SE stands for what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. That's okay. That point here I understood clearly. Nice. Then after that, what is the next point here I'm telling there? After understanding this, it will cover only the fundamentals of Java programming language. That's okay, fine. It will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming language. Nice. Next one is, by using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Understood? What is this standalone application here? I given some definition here. Right, sir. What is the definition here I given there? No. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. That's okay. Up to this points are very clear. Tell me any example for standalone application in outside. Any example for standalone application in outside here? If you observe this clearly, in my system, calculator is available or not? Come on, guys. In my system, calculator is available. So that calculator is an example for what there? Standalone application. Observe carefully. Is that calculator required any internet connection? Is that calculator required any two missions interaction? Is that calculator logic is distributed over multiple missions? No, that calculator, the tab is available within a single mission or not? Inside the single mission, we provided input or not? In the same mission, we are getting output or not? So it's the best example for what they know, a standalone application. Not only that, please recognize this point clearly, guys, all of you know. Not only that, inside my mission, how many softwares are open here? Now tell me, how many softwares are open? Paint I open, am I right or not? Your paint is available. Paint is also be an example for like what they know is a standalone application. Not only that, notepad I open here, notepad, sublime text I open here, notepad I open here now. This is my sublime text. That is one of the editor. Edit plus is one of the editor. Notepad is another one here. Answer my point here now. edit plus for the sake of Java programs execution. Next one is a Notepad plus plus. All these are like what they know, standalone applications. Okay, sir. Good. These are the examples for standalone application. I understood there clearly. That's okay. Nice. Next, I have a question. In outside, so many software applications are available. So many software applications are available. If we take, for example, 100 applications now, out of this 100 number of software applications, how many applications are standalone applications now? Out of these 100 software applications now, how many applications are standalone applications? Just I'm asking, what exactly the ratio of the standalone applications in outside? What exactly the ratio of the applications are standalone applications in outside now? If we come for this particular point, answer is what there? 5% of the applications are standalone applications. 5% of the applications are what they know? Standalone applications. Please recognize this punch card. Remaining 95% of the applications are what they're non-standalone applications only. Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone application. This is a relative comparison I'm telling them. Then immediately may have one question in our mind. Okay, sir. As per this demo class, I'm getting much clarity. Today's, as per your information, I'm getting very much clarity. Thus, by using core Java in the sense J2SE, by using core Java fundamentals, I'm able to learn. By using these fundamentals, I can prepare only standalone applications. Standalone application is an application that will be designed in such a way without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic multiple missions that I understood. Then examples for standalone applications are what they know: Notepad, calculator, and so on and so on and so on. All these are standalone applications only. But how many applications are standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Then immediately I'm getting one question in my mind. So today I'm learning core Java for the sake of only 5% of the application development in outside. Yes, sir. All of you are getting question in your mind or not? Huh? Actually, my brother is working with IBM. Every month he is getting nearly 70,000 per month. Every day made a call to me. Just I completed my BTech, maybe 6 or 7 months back, 5 months back, I completed my BTech. My brother made a call to me every day and he asked to me, "Are go and go Hyderabad and learn Java programming language." Every day he's calling to me like this. Now today I came for demo class. When I came to the demo class, now you confirmed to me, you said to me, only 5% of the applications were able to prepare by using J2SE. So today I am coming for a demo class only for the sake of only 5% of the applications in outside. If application development is only 5% no, my job opportunity level is also be 5% no. Today I'm going to start my hard work for the sake of 5% of the opportunities no. Then where is the chance of getting job for me if it is only 5% of the requirement? You may get this type of question in our mind. But I'm giving clarity for all of you guys. Now try to understand it clearly. Understand this clearly what I'm telling to you. It's a direct utilization of the J2SE is only 5%. But it's a dependency level is its a dependency level is 1,000%. It's a direct utilization is only 5% only, but its a dependency level is what they know 1,000%. Are sir, what is this story today? You are giving only numeric values. At one side you are saying 5%, other side you are saying 1,000. What is this? I'm getting somewhat confusion. Don't worry, I'll be clear about all these points. Direct utilization of the J2SE is a 5% only. I do agree that, but its a dependency level is what there 1,000% now. How sir? How 1,000% direct? How 1,000% dependency level is available? Right. I will give some information to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Listen carefully. What I'm telling to you. One student, for example, just he completed his BTech. Then he want to join with a company. He didn't have any job opportunity. So he want to learn a course. With that particular requirement, he came to Amirpet, Hyderabad. When he came to Amirpet and Hyderabad, he inquired in outside which programming language I have to learn. In which programming language I am able to get a job immediately. Just he inquired about the programming languages. All right, sir. He had one default opinion. What is that opinion there? He want to learn Java programming language. With that intentionally came to Hyderabad. But somebody else in outside has given some information to him. Are yaar, if we go for Java, it's too much coding part and too much difficulties are available. Long time it will take. No, then don't go for Java. If you go for testing tools, no, Selenium testing is available outside. It's getting somewhat demand. Within 40 days, your course will be completed. Within next 1 week of time, you will get a job. Then you will get a company ID card in your neck in the next week. He shown that entire world in a single hand. Then student may felt for it as per his says no, then immediately searching for an institute to take a Selenium testing course. He searched, he identified one particular institute. He went for demo class. When he entered in the inside the demo class, when a trainer came to the class, when trainer has given information, the very first question that Selenium trainer will ask to you, what is that first question there? How many of you aware about core Java? How many of you aware about J2SE? If you know J2SE, then only continue my course. If you don't know J2SE, please leave from the class. Indirectly, what he is saying there, Selenium testing is depending on core Java. Selenium tool, the Selenium product is depending on what they know, Java programming language. So because of that reason, you must have awareness on it. Indirectly, what is the point here? Selenium is depending on J2SE or not? Then the student is changed his mind. Arey, yaar, already thought of it, Java is too much difficult. That's why I came for the Selenium. But the Selenium people are saying to me, then go and join with the Java course. After completion of core Java, only come to the Selenium. Again, they're saying learn Java. Then to avoid the Java only, I came for the Selenium. But again, people are saying to me, then go and join with the Java classes here. So Selenium is not suitable for me. He came outside of the demo class. Again, he inquired about some other people there. What course I have to learn other than this Java, other than the Selenium? Then immediately some other people are giving information to him. What's that information there? Here Salesforce is one of the reporting tool is available outside now. It's having very good demand in outside now. Go and join with the Salesforce classes there. Then if you learn Salesforce class now, within 25 to 1 month of time, you will complete your training, you will get job directly. The same student might be searching for some other institute who they are taking these Salesforce classes now. He went for a demo class. In the same demo class, what happened there? Again, the Salesforce trainer came. He has taken the total demo class. At the end of the demo class, he has given a bomb blast. What is that blast there? No. If you want to learn a Salesforce technology, you must know core Java. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, it is very much difficult to learn Salesforce. So better to complete core Java than come for the Salesforce technologies. Again, student thinking is what there? Arey yaar, I thought of it Java is too much difficult. That's why I went for Selenium, where people are saying dependencies on core Java. That's why I came for what they know. Then Salesforce. Again, people are saying what there. Again, Salesforce is also depending on core Java. I want to avoid this core Java. That's my main intention here. That's why again he came out from this content here, the demo class there. He thought of it. Salesforce is also be not suitable. Again, he inquired for some other alternative. Some other people have given there. Araya, don't go for Java, Selenium, and Salesforce. No, nowadays mobile development, mobile application development is very good trending in outside now. Better to go for Android classes now. Android platform is available for mobile application development. Again, he went for one institute for the sake of the Android demo class. In the Android demo class also, what happened? They know that Android trainer has given prerequisite for this Android is what they know, core Java. If you know core Java, then only come for Android technology. Again, the dependency is available. What is the next step of the student? No, again he thought of it. Android is also be not suitable. He went outside there. Some people are giving information there. Hey, don't go for all these technologies. No, SAP related tools are available. SAP related tools are available. ABAP or HR or maybe different things. No, go and join with the classes. No, he went for the demo class also. There also be trained as given information is what there core Java you have to learn. Then only we can come for what there SAP tools. Finally, what he has decided, guys? What he is thinking, no? So without core Java, I'm unable to survive in outside. So if you want to survive in software industry, what I required here, no, core Java is required. What I thought there, no, core Java is required. Then again, some other people are giving information. Go and join with Python. Go and join with Python. Okay, then in the case of Python, no dependency on core Java. Yes, I do agree for that. But there is a small logic in that. What's that logic there? No, if you know core Java, nothing is there about Python. If you learn a core Java, Python is nothing. Still, you are not believing my statement now. If you have knowledge on core Java, nothing is available inside the Python. Am I right or not? Say, for example, how many of you are aware about bike riding? Are you aware? I think almost all of you are aware about the bike riding, right? Okay. If you drive a bike in Hyderabad, because of this topic, and if you drive a bike in Hyderabad or maybe car in Hyderabad, you can drive safely in any other city in India. Am I right or not? So that is the situation in Hyderabad here. If you ride bike in Hyderabad, throughout the world, at any location, you can ride the bike in a safest mode. If you learn a Java, you can play with any other technology in outside. If you learn a Java, you can survive in any other technology in outside. So finally, the point is what there. If you know Java, Python is nothing. But if you learn already Python, and if you want to come for Java, hands-out situation. Arrested, totally arrested. You may not understand anything. Why? Because even I think you are not believing my statement here. In the case of Java, observe carefully here. In the case of Java, if you want to declare a variable, what we have to do there? Int I is equal to 10. Very good, clear. I is a variable, data type is integer, value is 10 semicolon. Very clear. But the same thing if you want to see in the Python, no, simply I is equal to 10. Now tell me, first if we learn I is equal to 10, if we go for this one, it's very much difficult. First if we learn int I is equal to 10, if we go for Python, that is very simple. Yes, sir, got my point or not? Sir, as per our side, Python is very simple. Can I go for Python class now? Your life will be ended there itself. Finish. Don't have such kind of thinking here. Example I'm telling to you. Observe carefully what I'm telling to you clearly. Right, guys? Anyway, here my intention is not to compare Java and Python here. My intention is not to talk any other information about these two concepts here. My thinking is what there. What's the point I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. Java is a dependent programming language. Dependent programming language. Dependent programming language for multiple things. What are these multiple things here? Now understand this clearly. First one is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. First one is right, sir. First one is like what there? J to EE. If you want to learn J to EE, we require J to SE. Answer my point here. Next one is like what there? Another point is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. After this J to EE, what next one here we are able to say no? Say for example, Android. Android. This is another one. Next one is like what there after completion of this Android here no. Now Selenium. Understand my point here. Selenium. Then and so on. So many technologies. Just some of them I listed here. But so many technologies are saying like that. What here no? These are the dependencies here we are able to understand. So many dependencies are existed here no. So because of that reason, Java is a dependent programming language, and its dependency is available up to like what they know 1000% can know. That's why every programmer nowadays in outside, every programmer must learn a Java programming language. Otherwise, it is not possible to survive in a software industry. Minimum one programming language is required. That's why we have to come for what they know J2SE. Guys, all of you are getting clarity on these points now? Now, can you give clarity on these points here? What exactly the points we discussed up to now? Right, how many parts are available in Java? How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. Can you tell me what are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Can you tell me some points about J2SE? What is J2SE? Java 2 standard edition. And what it will cover actually? It will cover only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. By using fundamentals, what applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. Can you tell me what is standalone application? No. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what they know? Standalone application. Answer my point here. Next one is examples for standalone applications are what there? Calculator, Paint, Notepad, Edit Plus, Notepad Plus Plus, and so on. How much percentage of applications are standalone applications? No, 5%, right? But what is its dependency level here? No, 1000%. It is a dependent programming language for J2EE, Android, and Selenium, SAP related things, Salesforce, and so on and so on and so on. So many technologies are dependent on core Java only. That is J2SE only. Now tell me, J2SE is mandatory for us or not? J2SE is mandatory for us or not? Definitely, J2SE is mandatory for our applications, for our career also. J2SE is mandatory. Nothing are very simple. If I ask a question to you, why you are coming for Java class, why you are learning Java course now, you may say your own reasons no. What are the reasons here? Sir, I completed my BTech 4 years back no. My parents wants to arrange a marriage for me, but female people are asking a job for me. That's why I'm learning core Java today. Is it the reason for you? Yeah, I'm giving clarity, very good clarity. With core Java qualification, without core Java qualification, if I identify this, without core Java, your dowry may be 1 lakh. With core Java, your dowry may be 1 CR. What is that CR, sir? 1 crore. This is only core Java. If you learn advanced Java along with core Java, 2 crore. If you learn a Spring framework along with core and advanced Java, 5 crore. Then you can demand your own way. But don't ask how much dowry you have taken now. As you're teaching all these Java programming language here. Fine, nice. Now let's understand this clearly. This is the story behind what there J2SE, J2SE. Got my point or not? Don't calculate my dowry, yaar. People are calculating my dowry, right? Don't calculate my dowry. Huh? My dowry is 0 NP only. Now, okay, this discussion is stop, right? So now that's sufficient here. Don't calculate my dowry, then how I got married, and that's a different story. Now come for our point here. Now the second thing is like what they now tell me, what is the second one here? No, J2EE. What is this J2EE actually? J2EE or Java EE. Now try to understand this point, guys. All of you know. Here we have to say some points about it. What is the abbreviation for J2EE, guys? Now tell me, what is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java, observe carefully, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. All of you get my point or not? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Nice. What is this J2EE in the sense? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's okay. J2SE will cover what, sir? Now tell me. J2SE will cover what there? J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java. But J2EE will cover what there actually? It will cover server side programming. It will cover what, sir? Server side programming. Got my point or not? J2SE will cover, J2EE will cover server side programming. Listen carefully. By using fundamentals of the Java programming language, which type of applications we prepared there? Come on, guys. By using fundamentals of Java, by using J2SE, which type of applications we prepared there? Standalone applications. But by using server-side programming in the sense client-server architecture is involved or not? By using server-side programming, which type of applications can we are able to prepare? Which type of applications can we are able to prepare? In the sense, we can observe this clearly. We are able to prepare distributed applications. In other words, R enterprise applications. By using the server-side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare now? Distributed applications are what there? Enterprise applications. Guys, all of you are following or not? Now tell me, sir, what is standalone application? Can you tell me? Already you had information about it. What is the standalone application? Tell me, if we design and execute any application, or what there, any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. But here, what is the distributed application now? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, on the basis of what they know, client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, by distributing application logic what their multiple missions, then that application is called as, like what their distributed application. In other words, distributed application, in other words, we can say like it is what they know, enterprise application. That's it, guys. Distributed application or enterprise application. Tell me what exactly the definition for distributed application or enterprise application. No, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as like what their distributed application, or like what their standard, that means enterprise application. Right, now let's understand this example clearly, all of you know. Now I want to show one diagram here. Now try to understand this diagram, guys. All of you observe carefully. As I said to you, now this is like what I'm telling there clearly. This is standalone application. Now here, I want to take a computer here. This is my computer, one computer. Now this is my another computer. Observe carefully. Two computers, maybe simply speaking, like what there, two missions here I've taken. This is like what I'm telling there, one mission, and this is another mission. Two missions here I've taken. That's it. Now inside these two missions here, I prepared one application here, and this also be another application. Observe carefully. Two different applications here I prepared and two different missions. My program, my application logic is distributed over two missions. Now I want to say this is like what their client mission, and this is like what their, what I'm telling they know, server mission. Client mission, then what next one can know, server mission. Between these two missions, internet is required. Network is required or not? Between these two missions, internet is required, network is required. Okay, fine. Over the network, we are able to have some protocol. That's a different story. What I'm telling to you. After completion of this, then what I'm telling to you, when we execute these two programs, now okay, at client mission, I've written one program there. At server mission, also I've written another program. All of you observe carefully. At client mission, whatever the program we have written there, that program is called as like what there, client application. At server mission, whatever the program I have written here, that is called as like what there, server application, server side application. When we execute this particular application, when we execute this particular client application, already server is started, already server side program is ready to serve. Now when we execute client side application, automatically a request will be submitted to the server side program. A request, this is a request which is submitted by client. A request will be submitted to the server side program. Server side program will be executed. Whatever the request which is coming there with respect to a server side program will be executed. By the execution of the server side program, automatically some response will come to the respective client program. This is like what their response. This is like what they know, response. Guys, all of you observe carefully. Say for example, myself is a server. You're all clients now. You are sending request to me. I'm giving some service to you. That is response I'm giving there. Similarly, this is server. Now this is client. Client is sending request to the server. Now server is sending some response back to the respective client. All of you get my point or not? Client is sending request to the server. Server is sending some response back to the respective client. Get my point or not? Clearly, right? So now this is what exactly the meaning of like what the distributed application. Now tell me here, client side application and server side application collectively is an enterprise application. Okay, now inside this enterprise application, my application logic is distributed over multiple missions or not? My application is developed on the base of client server architecture or not? That's why this application is called as what they know, enterprise application. Otherwise this application is also be called as like what their distributed application. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? What is the meaning of distributed applications? Is everything is clear to all of you guys? No response. All right, sir. Then you have to give some response to me. Now this is like what I'm telling to you clearly, the distributed application here, what I prepared clearly. Understand this now. That's okay, fine. Then after that, after completion of this distributed application here, how many applications are distributed applications in outside now? Now tell me here. How many applications are distributed applications here? Now tell me here. How many applications are standalone applications in outside there? Now tell me. How many applications are standalone applications? No, 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. But in outside, how much percentage of the applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are what there? No, distributed applications only. How much percentage of the applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are what there? Distributed applications. Okay, sir. Now understand it now. For standalone applications, you have given some examples. Maybe small applications, calculator or paint or browser or something else in my system, what I installed. Everything is a standalone application. Okay, that I know. But tell me in the same way now, tell me some examples for distributed applications. Right, sir. Nowadays, in every sector, distributed applications or enterprise applications are going on. Nowadays, in every sector, distributed applications or enterprise applications are going on. Tell me some examples still. Bank application, guys, understand it now. For example, I have an account in ICICI Bank. My friend has an account in HDFC Bank. My friend requested for me. He's unemployed actually. He didn't have any job. He requested to me, send some 10,000 now. Send 10,000 rupees now. Then immediately what I have to do there? Then I'm going to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. Then what I have to do there? First of all, I have to send a request to ICICI server side application. ICICI server side application will send some transformation to what they know, HDFC Bank application. HDFC Bank application will confirm some transaction there and giving some acknowledgement to the ICICI Bank application. Then final ICICI Bank application will perform its transactions and giving some acknowledgement to me. Now tell me, two server-side programs are communicated or not? Myself, I'm communicating with ICICI application or not? My friend is communicating with HDFC Bank application or not? So this entire thing is nothing but client-server architecture or not? Myself is a client, ICICI Bank server-side application is a server-side program. ICICI server-side program is a client for a HDFC server-side application. My friend is a client for HDFC server-side application. Everything is related with the client-server architecture or not? That is an example for what there? Distributed application or an enterprise application. Leave it. That is not the example. Okay, another example here. Sir, no need to transfer amount from one account to another account here. Nowadays, maybe Google Pay, Phone Pay, number of things are coming. Just if you have mobile number that's sufficient, I can transfer the amount. And then here again, here what is going to be happen there? I have a Phone Pay account. I have Phone Pay in my mobile phone here. And then what I have to do there? I have to open that Phone Pay or not, where I have to enter my friend mobile number or not. When I click on process to pay, when I click on pay, some server, that phone pay application server will contact with what their ICICI application server. ICICI application server side program will contact with what they know, HDFC Bank application there. HDFC Bank application will complete the transaction and giving acknowledgement to my friend and giving again acknowledgement to what their ICICI application. ICICI application will give acknowledgement to what they know, phone pay application server. Phone pay application server is giving acknowledgement to me. Phone pay application server is giving some acknowledgement to me or not. So this is a process here. Everything is what the client server architecture only. No, sir. Today I learned Java perfectly. Okay, after completion of the class, I want to take a food. Unfortunately, when I go to my hostel, when I go to my mansion, when I go to my room, but food is not good today. Food is not good today. Then, but I am hungry. I want to take some food. Then what I have to do now? Yeah, then what I have to do there? Immediately, so many alternatives are available. I don't want to go to the restaurant now because of pandemic now. I don't like to go for restaurant here. Am I right or not? I don't want to go for restaurant here. So what I have to do there? Then we take your mobile phone and order in a Swiggy or Zomato or not? Sir, am I right or not? What is going on in your Swiggy, sir? What is going on in your Swiggy? There also be client server architecture is going on. Just we have taken a mobile phone where we found that what they know, what we open there, Swiggy app we opened there, where we ordered something, we provided already confirming that order. When we ordered something, request will go to the Swiggy server. That Swiggy server will go to what they know, respect to what they know, hotel. Respect to hotel, there also be some app is available. Maybe Swiggy app is available. There also it will communicate with the respective hotel, restaurant people. From restaurant people, they will get confirmation. That confirmation will be given back to me. Then after that, the Swiggy server side application will give a notification to the nearest delivery boy. The nearest delivery boy will accept it. He will go to the hotel. He will take the food item and come to our home and giving that food item to me. Then after that, he submitted some feedback form to us. The rating we have to give there. Here also be what is going to be happen here. Myself is a client for Swiggy server side application. Now Swiggy is a client for what they know, restaurant server side application. And as well as that is delivery boy. Delivery boy is a client for what they know, Swiggy application. Then here also everything is going on with a client server architecture or not. Then here also everything is going on under distributed environment or not. So because of that reason, every domain, even in educational domain, aerospace domain, banking domain, healthcare domain, insurance domain, every domain, every platform, all the applications are what they know, enterprise applications only. Enterprise applications only are what they know, distributed applications only. Guys, all of you are following these points, no? Right, so just 1 minute, no? I think I don't know what is this, and our admin people are giving some intimation to us. Uh, Respected sir, please announce to students regarding special offer applicable for those who are attended today demo class for Java. Okay, and they are given both some concessions related to this offline and online classes, guys. I think so. I don't like to talk about payments inside the class, but once it is benefit to you, then only I can talk about it. I think so. There is a benefit for you, so I can talk about it. Anyway, further details we can reach out our office. That my admin people will give more clarity on it. What they are given there, some concessions they are giving on the courses now below courses. Basic Java package. How much amount is available original? Just you can talk with our admin people there. Where in the basic Java, 1,000 rupees concession is going on. In a complete Java package, 2,000. In a full stack Java, 3,000 concession is going on. Then you can reach out our office for getting further details now. So just only primary information I'm telling there, but how much cost is available for each and every course. And this is valid up to Monday. Up to Monday. Today is the first demo class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no classes there. For this only first demo class today. Second demo class will be on Monday. On this Monday, up to Monday, they have given option there. Regarding these 3 or 4 days of time, they are giving this option there. After that, original cost is going to be applied for the respective courses. In both offline and online, we can check out our office there. They are able to give more information. Anyway, this is information. This is sufficient for us. Right, sir. Regarding this concession related information, I'm telling to you. More details, if you want to get there, go to our office and try to inquire about at our office there. Let's come to our content here. Let's come on. Let's come to our point here. So 95% of the applications are what, sir? Distributed applications are what they know? Enterprise applications. Now, are you getting clarity? No. If you want to learn, enterprise application, what is required here now? Tell me. If you want to learn enterprise application, what is required? What is the prerequisite here now? J2SE what is a prerequisite or not? If you want to go for J2EE, prerequisite is what there? J2SE or not? Come on, guys, no response here. I think you are feeling today cricket match was not happened, right? You thought of it. Today cricket match was not happened. Already you disappointed with the World Cup matches now. About the Indian performance. India performance, you are disappointed there. Today you are having some hopes over the New Zealand team. India is going to win. You thought like that. But today match was not happened because of some raining or something else. Match was not happened. That's why you are dull, I think so today, right? Is it the reason no? So no problem here. We are playing already cricket inside our class now. Already we started cricket match today. Whatever the match you require, I'm ready to play. Is it 2020 or test matching or maybe one day cricket match? Anything is ready. If you're ready to bowl with me, then I can play anything. Ready for it? For this also no response. Right, sir. Good, nice. Now let's come for our content here. So these are the like what there. 95% of the applications are what there, like distributed applications. Leave this punch here. After completion of this, then what is this third one, guys? Now tell me. Third one is like what they know, J2ME, or what next one can know, Java ME. Guys, really I'm telling there, it's a waste of time to discuss about the J2ME as of now. But as per my responsibility, I have to give minimum information here. Not required, but still minimum points I'm telling to you. Try to understand it now. Point number one, what I am telling to you, what is abbreviation for J2ME, guys? Now tell me. What is abbreviation for J2ME, guys? All of you now tell me. Abbreviation for J2ME is what there? Please respond for me. What is abbreviation for J2ME? Right. Now the abbreviation is what there? Java to micro edition, not mobile edition. Please respond for me. Java to what they know? Micro edition, not like what there? Mobile edition. Okay, fine. J2SE will cover what they know? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what they know? Server side programming. J2EE will cover what there? Server side programming. But J2ME will cover what type of programming you know? Micro programming. J2ME will cover what they know? Micro programming. Please guys observe carefully. Micro programming. Right, sir. By using this micro programming, which type of applications here we are able to prepare now? By using micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. By using micro programming, we are able to prepare what they know? Mobile based application. Sir, what is this mobile based application, sir? Already aware about it now. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is called as, tell me guys, what is this application here? No, mobile based application. That's it. This is my point here. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, mobile hardware system, then that application is called as what there? Mobile based application. Any examples are about this mobile based applications now? So many examples are available. So many examples are available. Now try to understand it now. For example, I want to give some order in Swiggy. Then what we have to do first? We have to install Swiggy app in our mobile or not? Come on, guys. We have to go for Play Store where we have to search for Swiggy app. No, their Swiggy app is available where install button is coming. We have to click on install button. Then Swiggy app is installed or not? That app is nothing but what they know, mobile based application. Not only that, I want to see some cricket score updates, sir. Cricket Buzz is available. Cricket Buzz is an app or not? Then we have to go for Play Store again. We have to search for Quick Buzz, then click on install button. Now it is installed in our mobile phone. That is like again what they know, mobile application. Yes, guys, all of you get my point or not? Not only that, I have my Airtel connections are in my mobile phone. Every month I have to pay the payment. To pay the payment, I don't want to go for Airtel store every time. So what I have to do there? My Airtel app is available. What is that app name there now? My Airtel app that is provided by Airtel provider. Then we have to install that My Airtel app in our mobile phone. Automatically we can pay the bills. Now the app what we installed in our mobile phone, that is called as like what there now? Mobile application. Again I'm telling that calculator is available as an app inside our mobile phone. Calculator is available, calendar is available. All these are like what they know, mobile applications only. Answer my point here. So now here calculator in mobile phones. Okay, then after that, what next one here? After this calculators in our mobile phones, you know. Then apart from this, what I am telling you know, calendar in mobile phones. Right, sir, mobile phones. Then what next one? And so on. So many things are existed here. We can understand. All these are like what their examples here now. Nice, very good. Now, what is the point I'm telling there? Observe carefully, guys. One important point I'm telling there. Mobile application development or mobile applications are having very good demand in outside market. Very good demand is available for mobile application development, but no demand is available for J2ME. Very good demand is available for mobile application development and outside, but no demand is available for what there? No demand is available for what there? J2ME in outside. Why no demand is available for J2ME in outside here? No, because of number of alternatives for J2ME. Number of alternatives are available for mobile application development. Like Android is available. When Android coming into the picture, when Android came into the picture, J2ME got down totally. J2ME is dead totally when Android came into the picture. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. When iPhone technology is available, Apple iPhone technology is available, when Swift is available there, because of these many alternatives, no, JTME is not having any demand in outside. It's almost all dead in outside here. Because of that reason, nobody is thinking about J2ME. Nobody is thinking about like what they know, mobile application development in outside with J2ME. That's why no need to think much about like what there J2ME in our content. Nobody is thinking about like what there J2ME in our content. So J2SE, J2EE are the two main concepts of like what there no Java. What are the two main concepts in Java here no? J2SE and J2EE. J2ME is not the part inside like what there Java. In that way, the Java is available at present here. But really, it's a part of the Java only. But no demand is available. People are not interested to go for what they know J2ME. Guys, all of you are following these points now, right? So now this is what exactly the meaning of Java. Finally, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. Please, all of you respond for me. I'm asking one question there. How many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Right, sir. J2SE abbreviation is what? Java 2 Standard Edition. J2E abbreviation? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME abbreviation? Java 2. Please, for the sake of me, please loud your voice there at least. I want to hide your sweet voices, no? Right? Why you hide yourself? Right, sir. Now, J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what? Server side programming. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. By using fundamentals of Java, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Right, standalone application. By using J2EE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. Next one is after that. J2ME will prepare which applications? No, mobile based applications. Okay, fine. Now, standalone applications without using client server architecture. Enterprise application by using client server architecture. Mobile based application on the top of the mobile hardware system. Then after that, how much ratio of the applications are standalone applications? No, 5%. How much ratio of the applications are enterprise applications? No, 95%. How much ratio of applications are mobile based applications? No, 100%. But no demand is available for what there? J2ME. Because of other technologies, other platforms, demand is available for mobile application development, but no demand is available for what there? J2ME. So this is the fundamental information here given clearly. Guys, fine. Just this is the basic information here I'm telling here. Now, next to 10 minutes, content is very, very important. Now try to understand it. No, content in the sense not about the Java. First of all, I want to say my action of plan. What exactly my plan of taking these classes here? What I'm starting today, at least we need to have some awareness here. That's why I'm trying to cover this information clearly to you. Right, so today I started nearly how many batches there? 3 batches here, 4 batches here I started here. Now the first one, batch 1 is like what there? Core Java. Guys, is it visible to all of you? Last term. Okay, first batch is what there? Core Java. I started. Next one is second batch here. I'm telling to you, this second batch is what there? Now, basic Java package. Basic Java package. This is second batch. And third batch here. What is the third batch here? I started here. Understand this. Third batch is complete Java package. Complete Java package. Then after that, fourth batch, what I started here, inside this fourth batch, observe carefully. Now this is what I'm telling there, full stack Java package. Full stack Java developer, simply I'm saying full stack Java package. These are the batches. Today I started here. Core Java is only single course here, we can understand it, no? Under this basic Java, what I'm going to be covered, number one, core Java. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. Number one, core Java. Number two, advanced Java. Number three, like Oracle on database is required. Number four, basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then what next one here? And bootstrap and jQuery. These basic concepts only. Not Angular, not React JS. Other things are in a different. Right. So these are the things are going to be covered inside what there basic Java. But if you observe this complete Java package here, what we are able to get now, first one is like what there core Java we are able to get, and second one is like what there advanced Java. Next, third one is like what there Hibernate. Then after that, fourth one is like what there Spring, and the fifth one is like what there Spring Boot, and sixth one is like what there. Then after this microservices. Then seventh one is like what their web services. These things are going to be covered under this complete Java. Seven topics are available. Along with all these seven now, then few more things are available. Eighth one is like what there Oracle is going to be start. Next one is ninth one is like what there no basic UI part. Again, I'm telling there basic UI includes like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, like these five topics only, not Angular and not what they know React JS. Understand it now. Next one, under this full stack Java, what we are going to understand under this full stack Java, what we are going to be covered here, whatever the courses which are available, all whatever the courses which are available here, all the courses are going to be covered under this full stack Java, but extra few more concepts are available. What few more concepts here we are going to understand there. Next, 10th one is Angular, then Angular or React JS, either of this. But okay, if you want to learn both, then I'm able to give some permission regarding that. Next one is after that, 11th one is like Linux we are going to understand, and the 12th one is a cloud AWS only, not Azure, not required here for Java development. In general, we should go for what they know, AWS, Amazon Web Services now. That's another one here we are able to cover. Next one is DevOps here we are able to see. Then 14th one is like what their testing tools, both manual and Selenium. Testing tools, both manual and Selenium, like this. These many things here we are able to cover under like what their full stack Java. Guys, all of you are getting this point clearly. So today, now this is a demo class for what there officially Java introduction are given there, but part of the core Java for batch 2 basic Java, for batch 3 complete Java, for batch 4 full stack Java are given today. Just it is a demo class. Just I'm giving awareness here. They are the batches here we started clearly. Understand it clearly now. Next one, after completion of this, after understanding this batches information clearly, okay, don't worry. I will share even these details also to you. Right, sir. After getting clarity on this, then what next one here apart from this here no? Regarding this durations point of view, if you observe this, maybe then core Java, it may take nearly 3 months of time. 3 months of time. I'll give information to you 2.5 to 3 months of time. Damn sure I have to take it. Maybe minimum time I'm telling there. But if you are not understanding properly, if you are a bit slow, it may be delayed. But as per my level, I can explain that. But depending on your understanding only, I can take the concepts now. If you are in a bit slow, then definitely I have to put more concentration on my explanation part, then definitely it's going to be delayed here. But if you're catching every point immediately, then it's okay, fine. Now I can go for like what there in my own flow there now. So that's it. Now, next one is, now this basic Java package, it may take nearly 4 to 5 months of time. Observe carefully. Now this complete Java package 5 to 6 months of time it will take, but this full stack it will take minimum 7 to 8 months of time it will take. Why? Because total nearly 14 topics. I think so something I missed out in this full stack Java. After completion of this class, everybody will get a mail and WhatsApp message to you with the syllabus and everything there. After completion of this session, there we are able to get it. Complete Java nearly 50 to 60 pages syllabus content only we are able to get regarding this. Okay, fine. Like this, these are the durations here we can understand. Okay, guys, that's okay, nice. Out of all these things, what is my area? What I'm able to discuss. For example, if we come for this one, total Java stream I'm going to take, guys. As of now, my part is what there in a full stack. If you observe this, up to this part is my area. Myself will be available for all of you up to this part. Right from core Java up to like what they know, web services. I'm going to take the classes. Oracle, basic view and remaining classes might be taken by some other faculty members. This is full stack Java course. Understand it now. So Java is a mainstream. Max a major part. That means major part I'm going to take the responsibility. But if time is possible, I may involve in either of these technologies, but not conformed there. Why? Because I'm going to be busy with the Java stream only. Why? Because parallelly I have to take these classes now. So parallel to these Java classes, these classes are going to be start automatically. And so my point here, these are independent on these concepts. These are not related to this particular content here. So independent here. So along with this basic pack, along with this total core Java, no, one by one, all of them are going to be started. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling to you. Okay, now listen carefully. What about my slots actually? What is my schedule actually? How I'm planning my schedules here? I'm going to give some clarity here. Now try to understand it. Here two options are available. If you follow my schedule, it's okay, well and good. Sir, time is not possible as per our schedule. No, I want to attend all courses randomly. In the sense, morning to evening, all classes are going to be started at Durga sir. You can plan your own way according to your schedule. But I'm going to give one roadmap to you to attend for these classes. No, if time is not suitable with my roadmap there, you want to attend the classes in our own way, I will give time to time batches information to you. Randomly, you can attend these classes at Durga sir morning 7 to night 9. Classes are going on completely. But first of all, let me talk about my schedule here. What about my schedule here? Understand this clearly. For this Java stream, total Java stream, I'm going to assign two slots. One is like what there, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. This is one slot. Then another slot here, what I'm taking there for the sake of this, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 9 o'clock is very good in Hyderabad here. Then up to 10, 10:30, every service is available in Hyderabad. No need to think much about it here. So the other two timings here I'm providing for the sake of my classes. In other timings, you can attend for what they know, other courses. If it is a complete Java or if it is a full stack Java, Oracle or Linux or DevOps or AWS, then I will give that schedule also clearly, but you can follow other schedules. But I will give that schedule information to you. When new batches are coming to start there, time to time I will give some information to you when to start Oracle, when to start UI, when to start this, all these courses here. I'm going to give some clarity for you, right, sir? But about my schedule here, what I'm telling to you, first immediately I will start like what their core Java here. Core Java I'm started here. Now here some course, some it's going to be happen core Java. When basics of the core Java is completed, almost when you complete object orientation in core Java, when you complete object orientation, exception handling, and string manipulations and multi-threading, these four topics when I complete in core Java, parallelly at 7:30 I will start advanced Java. That means to learn advanced Java, how much content is required in core Java. After completing that requirement of the advanced Java inside the core Java, then I will start what they know, advanced Java. Now advanced Java is going on here. Meanwhile, core Java is also be going on here. When advanced Java is going on here, meanwhile, core Java is going to be completed at a particular point. When core Java is completed here, in place of that, I'm going to start like what they know, Hibernate frameworks. I'm going to start there. Then Hibernate is going to be happen. Observe carefully. When Hibernate is going on there, meanwhile, advanced Java is going to be completed at a particular point. No, when advanced Java is completed here I will start like what there, Spring framework. In the continuation, in the same slot, after the Spring Boot, I will take. After the Spring Boot, I will take like what they know, microservices. After the Spring Boot, I will start like what there, microservices. Answer my point here. So now here, when Hibernate is going to be completed here parallelly at 6 to 7:30 time, I'm going to start like what they know, web services. Then both are going to be completed here. Now, this is what exactly the order here I'm following there clearly. Two slots. If you want to join for any package classes, maybe basic Java, core Java in the sense 6 to 7:30 is a fixed next few months of time. Basic Java or complete Java or full stack Java, if you want to join in my classes there, the other schedules here we have to follow clearly. So parallel, I'm going to do two slots is to complete the Java stream. Understand it clearly. First, I started today onwards I started core Java. After completion of the requirement of the advanced Java inside the core Java, Then I will start advanced Java. Meanwhile, core Java is going to be completed here. So when I start advanced Java, it's going to be completed there. It's going on. In place of core Java, I may start what they know, Hibernate. When core Java is completed totally, Hibernate will be started here. So when Hibernate is going on here, meanwhile here advanced Java may be completed, where in the continuation Spring Boot microservices I will take there. Meanwhile, inside this, in place of this Hibernate, I will start what they know, web services here. By this, when I complete this part here, my part will be completed. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? So this is what exactly the scenario here I'm telling to you clearly. After that, then other timings maximum I'm going to provide the remaining Oracle or maybe what next one here, Oracle or Linux or DevOps or remaining courses also we are planning to provide before 6 o'clock. 4:30 to 6 o'clock or maybe 3 o'clock or maybe 4 o'clock, something else. At evening time only, I'm planning to provide the remaining courses also. Other trainers will take the classes there, but 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to 9 fixed for Java. These two are my schedules. Remaining classes will be taken by other trainers before the 6 o'clock. No. Anyway, after 9 o'clock, not possible anyway. Before 6 o'clock, other trainers will take the classes. No. Maximum, if we come for this full stack Java, we are able to get the total awareness clearly. Guys, one thing I'm telling to you, out of all these things now, full stack Java is a trending nowadays in outside. Every company is looking for full stack Java only. Guys, I'm not giving any fake information. Every company is taking like what there, full stack Java only. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Right, sir. Now here, observe carefully how much it is important here. I'll give some video to you. I think recently I identified one video in internet here. Now let me check that. I think the sounds may not be calm, but try to see at least that image here. I will explain that what's going to be happen here. One funny video I got there. How much importance is available for full stack Java? You can understand it now. Some fire accident is going on actually. In a company, some fire accident is going on there. He is a team lead, this character. Then all team members are searching for Kiran. Who is that Kiran? Actually, full stack Java Kiran. They are searching for full stack Java Kiran. Right. Unfortunately, they identified one person. One person, his name is Kiran in outside there. Now see this. So next one is one person identified. His name is Kiran actually. But unfortunately, he saved that person there by taking some risk now. And then what happened here now? He is a team lead. The team lead identified he is not full stack Java Kiran. Again, they are searching for full stack Java Kiran. Searching for it, searching for it. Now identified, she identified there. She's a full stack Java Kiran. Now they saved her there clearly. Understand it? So this is an advertisement. This is one advertisement I found in exactly in outside guys. Now understand this clearly. Okay, so the example I shown there. This is a demand for full stack Java nowadays in outside. Java with DevOps, Cloud DevOps, Java Cloud DevOps. If you have these three in your resume, you will get very good demand in outside. That's what just example here I'm telling to you. Try to understand it clearly. Next one is after that, people are asking to me, sir, are you able to take these courses continuously 3 hours of time at a time? No, no. For every 1.5 hours, just a 5 to 10 minutes break. 10 minutes break I'm able to give. With the break only, I can take the class. I don't want to give any burden to you inside our classes. You are going to see all the classes in very good entertainment. Easily we can understand everything. That's okay, fine. Apart from this, what benefits here we are able to get to attend these classes, guys? Advantages of this course here, guys. All of you observe this. These things are also important for try to understand it. At least only one day only I'm going to talk all these things. Next class about direct attack, direct subject only. Then no need to waste our time here. So first one, advantages of this course here I'm giving that the very first advantage is what there. All my classes all my classes videos recordings will be provided up to 1 year of time. What to 1 year? This is an official boundary only, but maybe extended, not even up to 1 year. Even after 1 year also we are able to watch that videos. Every my class is being recorded here. every my class is being recorded here, then every class video recording will be provided. If you join for core Java recordings will be provided. If you join for advanced Java, that means the total full stack Java videos will be provided, but up to my classes. Actually, that videos classes maybe is excluded for offline students. Actual for online student, by default videos will be provided for every course, but for offline videos will not be provided, but up to my classes I'm going to provide. In outside maybe for recordings, it may be each course 5,000 to 6,000 cost is going to be happen. But anyway, by default, along with your course registration, you are able to get this video support. This is one point I'm telling to you. Next one is all my courses, all my classes material will be provided in the form of hard copy. For offline students, hard copy will be provided here. Offline students, offline, and soft copy for online students. Guys, understand this clearly. Soft copy for what? They're online students. But of course, hard copy is a chargeable, guys. Little bit. Xerox cost only our people are going to take, no? It's a chargeable. Observe carefully just what I'm telling there. It's a Xerox cost only I'm going to take. We are going to take. They'll provide that hard copy material for every course. But for online students, no, automatically soft copy will be provided for all the online students. Okay, that's one thing. All right, sir. Then apart from this, course completion certificate will be provided at the end of the course. Course completion certificate for every course. That means at the end of the course, what do you join here? Total course completion certificate from Durga shop you are able to get. This is one thing here. Then the fourth one here, what I'm telling to you, listen carefully. Next steps are very, very important. Company drives will be provided. Company drives will be provided for all the students. There's a common platform for everybody. Commonly, we are providing company drives, recruitment drives. That means I'm going to invite number of companies there. Right, sir. Company people are going to provide some drives here, some opportunities for us there. They are coming here, they are conducting some off-campus drives there. So you're all eligible to attend for it. Eligible candidates, like depending on your qualification, depending on your marks percentage, no, you are going to be eligible for that. You are going to select in that companies there. But immediate at core Java, no companies will come there. Whenever we are in advanced Java frameworks, there we are able to get that number of companies. Definitely. But listen carefully. I'm not going to conduct any job guarantee program, but more than job guarantee program, we are going to provide environment. I don't believe the job guarantee program. Why? Because I'm telling you one more point. If you want to get job, 30% is my participation. Remaining 70% is your hard work. Then only you are able to get job. But depending on your 70% hard work, how I can give guarantee for it? No. It's a blunder. In my point of view, job guarantee programs are fake. Blunder. They're not going to be work here. Even if you join with the company through the job guarantee program, your lifespan with the companies may be 2 to 3 months of time only. After that, no company people will provide that. In the job guarantee program, what's going to be happen there? Maybe interview questions only you are going to buttify. That interview questions you are going to deliver. Maybe they are able to manage that interview. After joining with company without having knowledge, how we are going to work with that company? Clearly understand this point what I'm telling there. So because of that reason, here itself I'm confirming to you, I don't believe the job guarantee program. Once you are coming to my class, I want to deliver the completed subject. So my program is not job guarantee program. My program is content guarantee program, subject knowledge guarantee program. At the end of the day, I'm telling to all of you guys, I'm giving what to you. At the end of the day, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else in outside. The real subject, if you want to know, then only come for my classes here. With my subject, with my knowledge, whatever the knowledge you are going to gain inside my classes, no. With this knowledge, 80% success rate is available in my classes, no. For every 100 members, 80 members are going to get jobs. Even it's not available in job guarantee programs in outside. So here we are totally depending on subject only. I'm going to deliver subject. You are going to learn subject. That's it. With this subject, you are going to get 80% of chances are available to get job in outside here. Not even any off-campus drives, are not even anyone. If you go outside company walk-ins, no, in your own stand, in your own legs, you are going to get the job. So we want to make you to understand everything inside the Java. Once you got the job, next 20 to 25 years of time, you will not get any problem here. In that way, we are going to prepare our content. That's the content here. Then what I'm providing here. Now company drives will be provided. Apart from this company drives, no, understand clearly some concepts wise what we are going to provide here. Concepts wise, some written tests will be provided. Written tests with respect to the company standards, no, company people required, companies are going to conduct some written tests here, that I am going to conduct on every concepts here. If I complete one subject, one topic in my Java, then immediately on the topic I'm going to provide what there one test, then I will display the key in outside, we can check it and we can check your knowledge there. If any problem is coming there in our exam, I will explain that content there inside the classes now. So every topic written test will be provided. Right, sir. Next one is mock interviews will be provided. Mock interviews will be provided depending on the topics. So for example, inside the core Java, we may have 3 to 4 number of mock interviews total overall. I'm going to implement it actually. In this batch onwards, I'm going to implement it. So written tests and mock interviews, I'm going to be provided on every content. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, another thing is what they working with multiple databases, guys. When we go for advanced Java, definitely we need to go for what there, some databases, JDBC is available. So we are going to work with multiple databases. What databases here we are going to be covered here? No, Oracle. What next one here? MySQL. Then H2 in-memory databases, NoSQL, MongoDB. These many databases here we are going to be covered. That means covering in the sense not entire database course, no. Up to for Java development, up to how much is required, up to that I will cover. Up to that I will cover and I will show that. For example, in my JDBC applications, I required Oracle database now. I will show right from scratch how to install Oracle database in our system, how to open Oracle console, how to work with Oracle, how to connect with Oracle from Java application. If it is MySQL, how to install MySQL database, how to open MySQL console, how to work with MySQL database from Java application. Like this here, we are able to see all the content here. Then after that, another thing here, what I'm telling to you, working with multiple servers working with multiple servers, like what there, if you go for servlet programming there, servers we require, what servers here we are able to cover here, like what there, WebLogic for example, that server here I'm going to be covered, like what there, WebLogic. After this WebLogic, next one is like what there, Wildfly. After this Wildfly, next one is like what there, JBoss and Wildfly both are same here. Next one is Glassfish server here we are able to see. Next one is like what there, Tomcat server. Like sir, so many servers are available that we are going to be covered clearly inside our classes now. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, another thing here, what I'm telling to you, apart from this, right, sir, multiple servers, and next one there, multiple things. Now next one is like what there, working with multiple IDs. I'm going to use IDs right from core Java onwards. What IDs here we are going to be provided here in our content here. Initially, I'm going to start with like what there, Eclipse. Next one is like what there, IntelliJ IDEA. Then what next one here? No, NetBeans. But NetBeans is not possible with the core Java. NetBeans I'm going to use when I'm going to start Maven, such kind of concepts here. Understand it clearly. So Maven and Log4j, when I'm going to use that Maven build tools there I'm going to start like what there, NetBeans here. Answer my point clearly. Next one is working with multiple IDs here. Like this, so many advantages now. So many advantages here we are able to get. But with all this environment, if you follow all my concepts inside these classes, no, with all these environments, I'm giving assurance to you, 80% of chances are available to get job in outside. 80% of chances are available to get job in outside. Answer my point here. Next one, what is the prerequisite to come for my classes there? I'm giving clarity for you. Prerequisite point of, no need to have any separate pre-programming languages for you to learn core Java with me. Even C also be not mandatory. But if you know C, it's okay, well and good. C class are available already there in outside, no, in our institute. C and data structures is available. If you want to join with that, we can go and check the demo classes there. Demo, I think so. Demos are going on. At what time? Time. 9:30 morning, right? At morning time, 9:30 C and data structures class are started there Monday onwards. You can join with that if you require that. But it is not mandatory for my class. But if you join with that, well and good here. That we can understand now. Right, sir. Then apart from that, then what next one here? No? And then what next one here? Right, sir. Then any graduate can attend my classes. I don't have any prerequisite here. Then we can start our classes here. In which we are going to start C programming language. In the same way, we can start with what there, no, Java programming language. See, I said to you, I'm telling to you, In general, people are thinking about to start the courses from 0 level onwards. Right from 0 level onwards, we are going to start the courses. Am I right or not? But my thinking is what there, not even from 0, from -100 onwards, I'm starting your course. -100 onwards, I'm starting your course there, not from 0 level. See, I don't know how much you are having knowledge in Java and other programming languages, but all of you are equal for me. At present, you are at -100 level, not even 0. So from that point onwards, how to install Java software, how to write first Java program, how to write main class, how to write main method, how to display hello world, right from that scratch onwards, I'm going to start our programming. Then why we are coming for Java programming language? We have already so many programming languages. Why this Java programming language is required? What is the impact of it in outside market? Everything we are going to understand. After that only, we are going to understand inside the Java. Understand guys what I'm telling you? So because of all these many things here, we are going to do clearly. Because of all these things here, we are able to understand clearly. So try to understand it. My development is going on with the IDEs only. These many IDEs I'm going to be covered inside my classes. Working with these many IDEs in the sense, it's a catwalk for implementing an application in our companies there. Nothing is going to be happen. Easily we can prepare our projects in our companies if we have this much of content. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my points clearly, what I'm telling to you? Right, guys. Now, this is what exactly the idea, what I'm telling to you clearly. Okay, then don't worry. This total information also I'm going to be provided inside my document here. Already some content I prepared there. Then batches information here I provided. This I'm going to be provided at the end of the content here I'm providing there. All of you are having these notes. Am I right? Guys, all of you are having these notes, right? URL already given that. Just if we open that URL, where one folder will open there, inside this core Java material is available. Click on it, automatically it will be open for you. Then I'm going to give the download option also for you for this material here. We can download. Every time I'm going to type the content. Classroom notes is very, very important. Almost all one document we are able to get. If you follow this classroom notes, then automatically we are able to get it now. Not only that, along with your course, we are going to understand along with this course we are going to understand interview questions. Guys, observe carefully, this is our biggest advantage now. Interview questions I'm going to be covered part of the course. Interview questions part of, like what they're part of the course, we can understand interview questions in every topic. We are going to see like what there some interview questions here that we are able to understand, right sir? Then after that, what is my plan of this courses here? What is the plan here I'm providing here? That plan also we can, I'm going to be included inside this. Now try to observe this clearly. Right, so total everything here I provided here. So the next class for this course will be on like what there Monday, not tomorrow and day of tomorrow, first weekend. Anyway, this is the first demo class. Second demo class, no second demo class here. Directly on Monday I'm going to start our core Java. Directly subject I'm going to today just it is the orientation only, just it is only gathering purpose only. But Monday onwards our really subject is going to be start. Once again I'm giving some notice to you. Then already our team has given that, right? Some concessions are provided in the form of this like regarding these course fees, no, right? For basic Java 1,000 rupees, for complete Java 2,000 rupees, for full stack Java 3,000 rupees concession is going to be happen. This is valid up to Monday. Up to Monday. Then if you register for this course, then we are able to get this option. Anyway, just this is an intimation there. But I don't like to talk about money and all these things. I'm not related to money. Our admin people will take care about it. Now reach out our office there. Our admin people will talk with you regarding that. Guys, is that thing is clear? Is that thing is clear? All right, sir. Shall we meet on Monday? All of you will come on Monday. Don't miss out it. On Monday there is an announcement, a big announcement I'm going to provide on Monday. That may be useful for you. Not related to this one here. Definitely it will be useful for everybody. Definitely it will be useful for everybody. On Monday, definitely I'm going to give one big announcement without failure. Try to attend for this Monday. Not only you can call your friends there. Anyway, first 2 to 3 classes are going to be available as a free classes for us. Call your friends also. Let them to come attend my demo class there. Monday directly I'm going to start core Java class. Monday directly I'm going to start what there? Core Java classes there clearly. Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for attending this demo class here. Then if you want to, guys, 1 minute, and if you want to reach out our office there, some mobile numbers are available for offline. I'm telling to you offline, then 55 8852 8852 Now we can reach at our office there 63. Next one is a 64. These numbers are maybe useful for you. We can take these numbers no 97. These numbers for offline here. For online if you want to reach to our online there, then we can go for like what there 888 This is one number, and 9246212143. Like this, a few more numbers are available. You can check in our website there. Then mail for online mail, we can observe this online mail is like what there Durga soft online training at the rate gmail.com. Right, sir. This is for online students. For online classes information there, we can get it now. Then if you want to get some other courses here, website information here, if you want to go there, www.durgasoft.com. We can reach out there. There we can see all the details here now. All the details information here we are able to provide. Right, sir. These mobile numbers and these things here we can use there. There we are able to get required information, guys. Right? Shall we meet on Monday? Right, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. Please go ahead. Guys, those who are in online, yeah. Yeah, guys, then definitely here in our classes, we are going to take real-time classes scenarios only. Just we can go for it. Right, sir. Good. Yeah, guys, then one by one, I'll clarify your doubts there. Just give some few minutes of time to me. Yeah. Just give a minute of time, guys. Length of each course, just I'm giving there. What is the time duration for full stack Java? 7 to 8 months of time is a full stack Java, guys. Could you please share fee details now? Raja, please contact with our admin people there, then they will give more clarity on this. Next one is 3 hours continuation in the sense in the middle I'll give maybe 10 to 15 minutes break. Yeah, definitely this course is helpful for you to get job there. Right, sir. How much experience you are able to keep there? Minimum 4 to 5 years of experience we are able to keep with this knowledge. Definitely 4 to 5 years of experience we are able to show. Yeah, Idosa, Edige, right, nice. How many projects you are going to implement it get? Not specifically like that, depending on the topic, I'm going to implement small projects so that you are able to get some real-time exposure also. All right, sir. Please, how I can pay? Edosa, just contact your admin people, they will give more clarity on it. Or else then you can go for, you can send a mail to, you can send a mail to Durgasoft offline, Durgasoft online training at gmail.com. Then our people will give that fee details and everything to you. Right, sir. Then for offline, maybe then anyway, then courses fee details you can reach out our office there. Our people will give more clarity on it. No timings will be changed, guys. These timings are fixed for Java stream. And for these other courses like Oracle or UI technologies, maybe it may be maybe depending on your schedule you can attend there. But at morning time, you are able to get these schedules. That means at evening time, we are able to have these schedules maximum. But you can attend right from morning 6 or 7 o'clock to up to 9 or 10 o'clock. Class are going to be happen parallelly so that you can attend for it. That's a paid training only. Right, sir. Online courses fee how much? Just you can contact with your admin people, guys. And then Aditya, then if you want to ask any doubt there, then in the questions box you can type your doubt there. On moment I will explain your doubt. Directly you are able to get your doubt there. On moment I will give that. We'll cover real-time project in the sense that orientation is real-time orientation only, but in every topic, max real-time projects only we are going to do, but no specifically real-time project there. Okay. Batch 2 classes will start from Monday. Yes, all courses are going to be start on Monday. Whatever the batches are given there. For online batch, how long the video is available here? Up to 1 year. After completion of your course, up to 1 year. But more than 1 year, we are able to get. Which tool is used for coding there? Definitely some IDs I am going to use there. Eclipse or maybe some other IDs no that I'm able to provide. Eclipse initially I will start there. Then after that, IntelliJ ID I will take. Then after that, if it time is possible, then I'll go for NetBeans also. Eclipse initially, both IDs I'm going to use. Initially Eclipse, next IntelliJ idea. Work in MSc company and want to recap everything, but 7:30 to 9 time is not suitable for me. But these are the two schedules are fixed, guys. 6 to 7:30 is for core Java. 7:30 to 9 is for what they know. Like 7:30 to 9 is for advanced Java. This in these two timings, the total Java stream is going to be provided here. Right? What Java version we are going to be covered, guys? Just I forgot to give that information there. In the part here, I'm telling to you in core Java, what versions here I'm going to be covered here. I'm giving clarity there up to up to latest version I'm going to be covered. Now this is at present Java 18 or maybe 19 is available here. Up to that I'm going to be covered in our core Java classes here. Like this, all latest versions I'm going to be covered. Definitely. We are able to get knowledge up to the latest versions. Alright, sir. Alright, sir. After completion of the course, will you do project work or just to hands-on? Just hands-on only, not like this. What about recorded classes for other courses? No, other courses, then I have to request for the faculty and they will give that courses. Max, I'll try to provide other courses recordings also, but up to my courses, I'm giving guarantee. Other courses also will request for them. They will provide max. Right, sir. As a fresher, which package is best for me to get a job? Full stack Java for everybody nowadays. For everybody, full stack Java is mandatory here. Duration of the full stack Java 7 to 8 months. How much fee for complete Java package? No, just you can reach out our office, guys. Don't worry. What about record classes for other courses? No, that we will provide. Max recording time period start from ending the course or starting the course. That means after completion of your course up to 1 year. More than 1 year you are able to get. Anyway, right from today onwards, we are able to get recordings there. Those who register for this course now. After today, after completion of your course, also up to 1 year, you are able to get it. Right, sir. Core Java, how many fee will be registered before Monday? No, then core Java is as usual. Then as per the content, no discounts on core Java. What about recorded classes for other, yeah, that I given already? Recorded class for other courses. No, I have to request for other faculty. Maximum 90% they will provide there. But up to my course, I'm giving guarantee. Okay, fine. Will be the test and mock interviews will be available for online students. No, Max will provide for online students also. Mean 6 to 9 months, 9 full stack batch people will have sessions. 6 to 9 full stack batch people will have sessions. Yeah, definitely. Full stack Java, basic Java, complete Java. For everybody, 6 to 9 slot is mandatory. We have to attend for it. Yeah, for full stack Java also 6 to 9 we have to attend there. But Java course I'm going to take in this time. No, other courses are going to be provided in other times. These two are fixed for Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, and like web services. For all of them, here we are able to get. Is this course good for experienced professionals? I have good knowledge of Java, but I feel that I still have a knowledge gap. Then anyway, try to Sumit, then try to attend a few classes there. Then we are able to get some clarity. Then within 2 to 3 sessions, you are able to understand it. But definitely, it will be good for you. Is there any fast track batches? No, no fast track batches as of now. Koja fees, just again, reach out our office there. Meenakshi Rathod, just reach our office there. Then our people will give more clarity. If I'm taking basic Java, when you are going to teach Oracle and basic UI, other than this 6 to 9, other than this 6 to 9, randomly class are going to be short. There we can attend for this. Fee structure about complete Java package, guys. Then reach out our office, guys. I given already some numbers there. Then we can reach out our office. Some contact details are given. Try to go there. Try to reach out our office. Our people will give more clarity on it. Other courses can we join in our flexible timings? No, yes, definitely. When the courses are going to be start, there we are able to attend for it. Okay. All right, sir. And cloud concepts in a full stack Java course. Nowadays, industry demands cloud concepts also. Yes, exactly. DevOps, that means Linux, AWS, and DevOps getting very good demand in outside. Everybody must know that. How many classes are there in a week now? All right, guys. Then I forgot to give that information here. Monday to Saturday, the class are minimum. Depending on the situation, I may conduct class on Sundays also, but not immediately. Monday to Saturday classes are mandatory. Sunday classes are optional, but depends on our requirement. I'm going to cover Sunday classes. I'm working as a tester. Can I switch my career as Java developer after this course? Will it teach end-to-end projects as we do in company? Definitely, max we are able to cover, but I'm not going to conduct any real-time project course here. Just on every topic, real-time exposure we are able to get. On every topic, I'm going to prepare some application there as per the real-time standards. With that, we are able to go for it. How many months course, sir? Then Sharvani. Then how much, Sharvani? Then which course you're asking there now? Is that basic Java, or complete Java, or full stack Java? Full stack Java 7 to 8 months of time. Complete Java 5 to 6 months of time. Then basic Java 4 to 5 months of time. Then core Java just up to 3 months of time I'll take. Yeah, fine. Guys, anything else apart from this? Anything else apart from this, guys? If I miss any class, videos will be provided, guys. Analashmi. Then if you miss any class, there videos will be provided. We can watch that video. Then again come to the class. All right. Can attend 6 to 9 p.m. classes continuously? Yes, definitely. Up to Java, total Java stream, you have to attend 6 to 9. Then other UI classes or Oracle classes or maybe Angular, React or testing roles, maybe at some other time you can attend for it. Will there be any problem if I am from non-CS background? No problem here. Even biology, geology, if you have there, then you can attend these classes. You don't have any problem. Can we download recorded videos? No. Just it is accessible only. We are providing up to more than 1 year. We are providing that access videos access. Then officially we are not giving any download option. Okay. Right. Anything else, guys? Hmm? Hmm. 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 C capital. Right. Driver manager. Program చూడలా? Hmm? Yeah. Thank you, Roger. Thanks a lot, guys. And shall then, sir, I have gap after my graduation as a fresher. Have any chance to get job? Say, how much gap do you have, Meenakshi Rathod? How much gap you have? 4 years of gap. So no problem, but you have to give the proper reason for it. See, the point is really if you work with any company, if really work with any company, then you are experienced. If you don't have any work experience with any company, even if you have some gap in our academics, there still you are fresher only. So no need to worry about it. But they will interviewer will ask you what we have done during these 4 years, and there we have to give proper reason for it. Yeah, possibilities are available, but you have to give proper reason. But I am requesting, I am suggesting to you, instead of applying for any fresher, no, better to have some experience there. 3 years of experience you can put, no, then it will be okay. Then nobody will give any pressure on you. Then easily you can get job, even when compared with the freshers. Yeah, nice. Anything else, guys? And shall we meet on Monday? Shall we meet on Monday? Please, all of you say okay, then we can drop out. Shall we meet on Monday? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Then use the same link on Monday. Try to attend for the class. Monday onwards, we are going to see that actual Java directly core Java. I'm going to start at 6 to 7:30. After a few days of time, I'll start at 7:30 to 9 advanced Java. Right, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your support. Try to attend for the class on Monday. No, we are not providing any experience letter, guys. Just we are providing only course completion certificate. That's it. Then we are not going to provide any experience letters and all. Yeah, demo class video also you are able to get. In YouTube also it's going to be available. In YouTube also it's going to be available. Please check it. Yeah, go to our Durga Soft channel. There you can get it. Okay. Yeah, we can add certificate in our resume. Then we can use Durga Soft brand in our resume. No issues. But it's not OCJP certification. This is like what the Durga Soft course completion certification. Yeah, we can tell to that interviewers also. Then I completed my course at Durga Soft. They'll give some recognition. Okay. Thank you. Anything else, guys? Shall we meet on Monday? Yeah, fine. I'm going to close up this. I'm going to wind up this. Now we will meet on Monday. Monday at the same 6 o'clock. Use the same link, same demo link there. Then we are going to take our classes now. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Right. Thank you, guys. All right. Good evening, guys. All right. In the last session, just we understood what exactly the meaning of that means Java programming language. Then what are the various modules are available in Java programming language? That part we understood there in the last session. Harsha. All right. Keyboard mouse. Then what is here? If we observe the last class content, few points I have discussed there in the last session. What are the few points here we discussed there in the last class? Guys, now tell me, Java is available in how many parts? Java is available in how many parts there? Three parts. Tell me what are the three parts here? Can I say core Java, advanced Java, J to EE? Can I say like this? Come on. Is it a right classification in Java? Is it a right classification in Java? No, this is not a right classification in Java. Understand it clearly. So, what is the right classification in Java, guys? Now tell me. J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. J to SE, J to EE, and what next one? J to ME. Right. What do you know about J to SE actually? What you aware about J to SE? Right, answers are very clear. Try to understand it now. J to SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. J to SE stands for what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. Observe carefully. Next one is what it will cover actually. J to SE will cover what part here no? J to SE is able to cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. J to SE will cover what there no? Only fundamentals of Java programming language. With these fundamentals, what we are able to prepare? With these fundamentals, what we are able to prepare? We are able to prepare only standalone applications. We are able to prepare which applications no? Standalone applications. What is standalone application now? What's the meaning of standalone application here? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what they a standalone application. Guys, can you tell me examples for standalone applications? No, what are the various examples for standalone applications here? Right, here we are having number of examples like a calculator, paint, notepad, edit plus, notepad plus plus. All these things are like what they're examples for standalone applications. Got my point or not? Next one, after that, how much, how many applications are standalone applications actually? Out of 100% of the applications, how many applications are standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are what here? Standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Observe carefully. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications, that we understood clearly. Then, but what is its dependency ratio actually? What exactly it's a dependency ratio? No, it's a dependency ratio is a 1000%, not even 5%. 1000% is what their dependency ratio of these standalone applications. Right, sir. Because of that reason only, we have to learn now J2SE effectively without having any content, without having any doubt. Everybody must know, must understand standalone. That means J2SE part here. So these are the points we understood there. Then another point I have given there. What is that another point here? Keyboard. What is that another point now? Java is dependent programming language for J2EE, Android, Selenium is not working. Selenium and so on and so on and so on. Understand it clearly. Next one is what next one here now? J2EE or Java EE. What is that J2EE guys? Now tell me no. What exactly the meaning of J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Just give a minute of time. I'll come back. కీబోర్డ్ మిస్ అయిపోతుంది మొత్తం అయిపోతుంది రైట్ సార్ రైట్ సార్. So next one is like what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What we are having there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Understand it clearly. Next one is like what I'm telling to you after completion of this. Right. So what it will cover actually? J2EE will cover what actually? J2EE will cover J2E will cover only server side programming. J2E will cover what they know? Server side programming. By using server side programming, we are able to prepare which type of applications now? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. By using J2EE, we are able to cover what there? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. Understand it clearly. Next one is what is this distributed application or enterprise application? What is the meaning of distributed application or enterprise application? Right, sir. Understand this point clearly. Distributed application, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as distributed application or enterprise application. There are given already one type of diagram there. Already we understood this point clearly. So client mission, then server mission, then what next one here? After that, right, sir. Now like this here we are getting clearly. Then what next one here? After completion of this one, how many applications are distributed applications over this? All the applications now, 95% of the applications are what there? Distributed applications. That's okay, fine. Next one is after that, I given one a simple diagram for what there. This is for standalone applications actually. This is a diagram for standalone applications where we understood this. Here we have to take this diagram here. That's okay, fine. Next one is J2EE. That part here we understood there. All right, sir. Next one is like what I'm telling to you after completion of this J2ME. What is this J2ME, guys? Java 2 Micro Edition. By using this J2ME, what we are able to cover? Micro programming. By using micro programming, which type of applications here we are able to prepare there? Mobile based applications. Next one, if we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is called as what there? Mobile based application. Calculator in a mobile phones, calendar in a mobile phones. Maybe if you want to order anything in Swiggy, the Swiggy app we have to install in our mobile phone. That Swiggy app is a mobile based application. Zomato app is a mobile based application. My Airtel app, my Vodafone app. Answer my point here. My idea for the sake of this mobile payments or maybe something else. No. So all these are like what there we have to install in our mobile phone. So they are nothing but what they know mobile applications. Right, sir. But the point is what there mobile application development is having very good demand in outside. Mobile application development is having very good demand in outside, but J2ME is not having any demand. Mobile application development is having very good demand in the market, but J2ME is not having any demand here. There is a punch here. We can understand clearly. So because of that reason, nobody will go for like what they know J2ME. Nobody will go for what there J2ME. Just simply understand this point clearly. So this is what exactly the meaning of like what there J2ME, the total part here. Guys, finally I'm asking this question to all of you. Now try to answer for it. Java is available in how many forms here? No, Java is available in how many forms here? 3 forms. What are the 3 forms? No, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. 3 parts. Very clear. By using J2SE, what we are able to get? No, only fundamentals of the Java. By using J2EE, what we are able to get? No, server side programming. By using J2ME, what we are able to get? No, micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, which type of applications we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. By using J2EE, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. By using J2ME, which type of applications here we are able to prepare there? By using J2ME, which type of applications here we are able to prepare now? Right, sir. Mobile based applications. Understand this point clearly. Next one is after completion of this. So here some points here already we understood there in the last class at the end. That means only one class we have taken. On Friday I have taken first class there. This is a second class now where I explain about all these points clearly. Where some information I have given there regarding this, what advantages we are able to get by joining with our courses here. These points we understood in the last classes now. Let's leave this point here. Now today I'm going to discuss about that core Java introductory content here. Guys, understand this point clearly. Today I'm discussing about what topics there. Today we have started which topics here we started in today. No, core Java we am starting there. Part of the basic Java package core Java I'm taking. Part of the complete Java I'm taking core Java. Part of the full stack Java core Java class I'm starting today. So now I'm going to understand about this core Java content. So before going to start our actual core Java, let's understand the content of core Java. Content of core Java. Content of core Java. Keyboard. Content of core Java. Right, sir. Let's understand this clearly. Content of core Java. Right, sir. Then what I am going to provide inside this, just only one time only we are going to understand it. Before going to start our content, what I am going to discuss there inside the core Java, the total information here we have to understand. Even if it is possible, try to take the data of this core Java in our notes here on the first page now. When I'm going to complete one topic there, just we are able to put tick marks clearly. So let me list out all the topics here, at least one time only. I'm going to list out all the topics what I'm going to be covered. Then after that, today I'm going to start that very first topic there clearly. All right, sir. Now let's observe this clearly. That very first one is like what their introduction topic. All of you guys understand it clearly. Let me have some overview of all these concepts here, what I'm going to discuss there. Introduction part. Inside the introduction part, what I'm going to discuss there, what exactly the requirement to go for core Java, what is the need of Java programming language. Already we have number of programming languages in outside. What is the need of core Java? Why we need to go for core Java over C and C++? What are the various Java features that we are going to understand there? All the points here we are able to understand clearly. All right, sir. So as part of this introduction, we are going to understand that. Then after that, after completion of this particular topic here, after completion of this particular one, then what next one here we are able to understand there. Next one is steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. That is the second topic. We don't know. I don't know how many of you are aware about Java programming language, how to install Java software, then how to open the Java editor, how to write first program, how to write a hello world program. I'm thinking about it. You are at completely at zero level. Even not at zero level, you are at minus 100 level. No problem. You are going to understand all the points with my content clearly. All right, sir. Observe carefully here. Then after that, the third one is like what there. Now, as part of the steps to prepare first Java application, first I will discuss how to install Java software. Then after that, how to install Java editor, Edit Plus or Notepad Plus or whatever it may be. Then after completion of this, how to write Java program. To write Java program minimum what we require. Then after completion of this, writing Java program. After completion of this, how to save Java file. To save Java file, here we are having some rules and regulations now. If you declare a class as a public, how to save Java file. If you are not having any public class, how the Java file is going to be saved. All the things here we are going to understand. After completion of this, after understanding this, saving Java file, how to compile Java program. How we are going to compile the Java program, that we are going to understand. Compilation of the Java program. How to compile a Java program. When we compile Java program, what is going to be happen internally? What process is going to be happen internally? Right, so then after that, how to execute Java program. When we execute a Java program, how JVM will run our Java program. How JVM will execute our Java program. What is the process? What is the internal process of executing Java program? That everything we are going to understand inside like what they know. Steps to prepare first Java application. Guys, all of you are following what I'm telling you. Just it is an overview. Overall information we are going to understand what I'm going to discuss there. At least we need to understand one time about all these points here. Next one is, after completion of this, the next one is language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. Inside these language fundamentals, what topics here we are going to understand. Guys, observe this clearly. Inside these language fundamentals, what we are understanding there, how to prepare a while loop, how to prepare for loop, how to prepare if conditions, how to prepare switch programming construct, what is break statement, what is continue statement. All these concepts we are going to be understand effectively under this language fundamentals. Operators part, what are the various identifiers? If you want to use identifiers in Java, if you want to use identifiers in Java programs, what exactly the content here we are going to understand. That means what exactly the rules and regulations here we have to follow if you want to use identifiers in our Java applications. All these concepts here we are going to understand under these language fundamentals. After that, that very important topic in entire core Java. If you want to keep some stars there, we can keep 100 stars. That important topic is what they know, object orientation. Oops, concepts. Object orientation. There is an importance for this object orientation, guys. There is very important things about this object orientation I'm going to discuss there. It's not like only simple definition or maybe 2 to 3 classes of completing object orientation, not like that. I had very good R&D work on object orientation. The total content here I'm going to discuss there. What content I'm going to discuss there, if you observe this clearly. How to prepare a class. First of all, what are the various object oriented features? What are the various object oriented features? Can you know? Any idea? Object oriented features in general, do you have any idea on it? No. Class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, message passing. The 7 object oriented features here we are going to understand. After that, how to prepare a class. What is the syntax of the class? How to use classes in Java applications. After completion of this, how to prepare methods in Java. How many types of methods are available? Accessor methods, mutator methods now. How to, then after that, where are the method inside the Java. After that, how to create an object. To create an object, what happened internally? Which instruction we are going to use? What is the internal process of object creation? What is an object and what is a reference variable? After completion of this, then what next one can know? Constructor. After understanding these constructors, default constructors, parameterized constructors. After understanding all these constructors there, then what next one can know? After completion of this, next one here we are going to understand like what there, this keyword. After understanding this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, and so on and so on and so on. So many contents are available here, we can understand clearly. Right, sir? So many topics. It's not like 1 or 2 number of topics. Hardly minimum, I need to take a minimum 3 to 4 weeks of time for only object orientation. It's a huge amount of time. At the same time, huge content I'm going to be covered. It's a very, very important topic in entire Java. Understand one simple calculation I'm telling to you. Try to observe these calculations, guys. Very simple calculation. If we, for example, if we go for any interview in outside, if interviewer is asking 100 questions in that interview, out of this 100 number of questions, 60 questions you are able to get from core Java only. Out of 100 number of questions, no, 60 number of questions are coming from what? Their core Java only. Out of the 60 number of questions, no, again 30 to 35 number of questions will come from object orientation. Entire J2EE, Java J2EE is going on the top of the core Java. But entire core Java is going on the top of what they know? Object orientation. No core Java, no Java programming language. Means that no object orientation, no core Java. Entire Java J2EE is depending on core Java. Again, core Java is depending on what they know? Object orientation. So we are having very good concepts about this object orientation. We are going to understand effectively this object orientation clearly. Right, sir. Don't worry. I will take care about it. What I have to cover, what I am going to discuss there in object orientation. So one of the important topic here we have to understand. After completion of this object orientation, another topic, another concept is like what there we are able to understand wrapper classes. Anyway, not required immediately, but still I'm telling to you what is the purpose of this wrapper classes here. Guys, are you aware about primitive data types in Java? Any idea? Basic awareness. Not only in the Java, go for any other programming language. Primitive data types in any programming language. What are the primitive data types? No, maybe int, long, float. Data types I'm asking there. Basic data types. No. Do you have any awareness on these data types? No. Int, long, float, double, boolean, character. These are minimum in all programming languages. Right, sir. For all these primitive data types, no, classes are defined. For each and every primitive data type, a separate class is defined. For each and every primitive data type, a separate class is defined. That classes are called as what they know? Wrapper classes. The classes are called as what they know? Wrapper classes. I'll teach more information about these wrapper classes in the respective time care. After completion of this, another thing is like what there? String manipulations. String manipulations. What is the meaning of the string manipulations? No, string operations. In Java, we are able to perform string operations. Not only in the Java, in all programming languages, string operations here we are able to perform. Am I right or not? In all programming languages, string operations here we are able to perform. What are the string operations here we are able to perform here? All of you understand this clearly. String operations are very clear. How to find the length of the string? For example, Durga software solutions data is available. String. How many characters are available? What is the length of that string? I want to know. Next one is converting that lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Converting uppercase letters to lowercase letters. Then performing trim operation. Removing spaces before the spaces and after the space of a string. Trim operations. Then after completion of this, concatenation. Durga is available. To this Durga, I want to append what they know? Software. So all these operations here we are going to discuss there, part of the string manipulations. Inside the string manipulations, we are going to discuss about 3 classes: string class, string buffer, string builder, and a string tokenizer. Overall 4 classes we are going to discuss under the string manipulations. What are the 4 classes here we are discussing there? No, first one is what they know? String. Next one is like what they know? String buffer. Next one is a string builder. Next one is what they know? String tokenization. These are the various things here we are able to understand clearly. Right, sir. After completion of the string manipulations, no. Next one is like what there? Inner classes. The topic is what there? No. Inner classes here we are able to understand. What is that inner classes, guys? Understand this, no? And before this, I'm telling to you, string manipulations are having 4 stars, 3 to 4 stars I can give. It's one of the important topic in application development as well as in the point of what they know interviews. In the point of interviews or in the point of application development, string manipulations is one of the important topic that we have to understand clearly. All right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, next one is after completion of this, another thing is inner classes. If you observe this, guys, I'm asking one question to all of you. Now try to answer for it. My question is very simple. Now try to understand it. No, already you are aware about loops, for loop. Am I right or not? No response, guys. Had snacks already at 5 o'clock. Snacks, right? Completed, but don't expect from Durga Soft. Only Java is provided by Durga Soft. Java or Python, all the courses, not snacks, not teas, and not coffees, right? But you have to respond for my questions whenever I'm asking. All right, sir. I think all of you enjoyed cricket match. I think so last Sunday, right? Yesterday. Am I right? India won the match. India won the match, right? But actually, I thought of it, New Zealand will get that match. But unfortunately, India won the match because of only one player. Am I right? Who is that player, guys? Huh? Sky shortcut, right? Surya Kumar Yadav, right? Fine. Good, very good. So, what I'm telling there at the end of the Java classes there, I want to make all of you as a Sky in Java programming language. Understand it? So, if you want to become as a professional in a Java programming language, we have to learn effectively Java. But before going to learn Java effectively, first at least we have to understand what is there inside the Java. See, at least we need to have some plan to learn Java. Today you are coming for demo class here, then we are trying to start the Java classes here. But before going to start our content, at least what is there inside the Java we should know. That information all I'm telling them. This is an index of our course. This is a syllabus of our core Java that I'm talking there. I'm giving there. Only today only I'm going to talk about all these statements. Next onwards, next minute, once if I completed this now, every day we are going to have one side batting only completely. It's not like 2020, it's not like test batting. One day cricket match is going in our class. So every day you have to field for my sixes now. All of you ready for it or not? Right, sir. Now understand this clearly. I'm asking one question to you now. Tell me, is it possible to write a for loop inside another for loop? Is it possible to write a loop inside another loop? Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Yes, it is possible. It is possible to write a loop, one loop in another loop. Am I right or not? Exactly. Similarly, in Java, we are able to write a class in another class. We are able to write a class in another class. Class is a basic programming element. Without classes, we are unable to write anything, sir. You are the students. You can represent in the form of a class. I'm a trainer. I can represent myself in the form of a class. Customers are available. I can represent in the form of a class. Like products are available. I can represent in the form of a class. Everything we are going to write in the form of classes in Java. Got my point or not? Okay, but writing a class inside another class is also be possible in Java. In which way we are writing a loop inside another loop? In the same way, we can write a class inside another class. That internal class, whatever the class we have written inside a class, that internal class, that nested class is called as what they know, inner classes. Inside these inner classes, 4 types of inner classes are available. What are the 4 types of inner classes here? Member inner class, static inner class, then after that method local inner class, anonymous inner classes. 4 types are available. Our duty is understanding all the 4 types of inner classes. Understanding all the 4 types of inner classes is our actual requirement, is our duty. That's it. That we are going to understand inside the inner classes topic. That's okay, guys. After completion of this inner classes, that another important topic in core Java, that is what their exception handling. Right, sir. For object orientation, how many stars we have given, sir? Now tell me. For object orientation, how many stars we have given there? 100 stars we are giving. For string manipulations, how many stars here we are giving there? No. How many stars we are giving for string manipulations? No. 10 stars we are giving. But if you want to give some stars for this exception handling, we can give 50 stars. You can give 50 stars. Guys, are you understanding what I am telling there? What is this 100 stars? What is this 10 stars? Or what is this 50 stars? No, weightage I'm telling there. Importance of these topics I'm telling there. So definitely we must learn what they know. This exception handling topic in this way only. This much is a weightage is available for this exception handling. Right, guys? Understand this clearly. After completion of this exception handling, another important topic is like what there? Multi-threading. Another important topic is what they know? Multi-threading. All of you observe carefully. Multi-threading. Right, sir. How many stars you want to give for this multi-threading? Again, it will be 50 number of stars. Again, it is what they know? 50 number of stars. Guys, I'm asking one question to all of you. Understand it, no? All of you. Answer for my question here. My question is, I think you completed BTech first year, MCA first year, or maybe degree, or BSc computer science, maybe first year or maybe second year you completed. For example, out of your total BTech, what is the toughest subject in our total BTech? No, what is the toughest subject? Of course, you are from different courses, right? Some of you from computer science, right? Some of you are from like what the electronics. Some of you from electrical. Of course, in electrical, every subject toughest part only. Yes, sir. Any of you are coming from electrical? No. Right. Very good. Nice. So electrical. From electrical, every topic is the toughest part only. Am I right or not? But out of all these topics, one topic is the toughest of the toughest. What is the topic there? No. For example, computer science, I'm asking that, but I'm not having much awareness on electronics and electrical. Myself, I came from computer science background only. Then, what is the toughest part in our computer science care? What is the topic there? No. Maybe some topics are available, like what there? Design and analysis of algorithms. This is one topic. DAA. Do you have this subject at present? No? This is one topic. Then another topic is what there? Neural networks. I think so. Some other no. Are you aware about it? Neural networks or artificial intelligence. These are tri subjects actually. Next, another one is computer architecture. CEO or CA, something else. COA, na? Computer what is that? Organization and architecture. Right. But my time that names are changed, right? Right, sir. Anyway, similarly, in entire core Java, the toughest topic, the toughest part, students are not understanding easily. Even trainers are feeling difficulty while teaching the content. That is what their multi-threading. That is what their multi-threading. Get my point or not? Multi-threading is the toughest topic. But if it is the toughest topic, if it is the toughest part, so what? So what? Here we are having, we are coming here to learn the concepts only. Even though the topic is the toughest topic, but I will clear about the topic. I'll make it is very simple. I'll make it is very simple. We are going to understand the content effectively about this multi-threading. Don't worry for it. Of course, it's the toughest part, but we'll play with the toughest part. Then we are here to understand the concepts on it. Definitely, I'll provide that very good content about this multi-threading here now. So we can understand. We can give like what there 50 number of stars here we can give for this. This is one of the important topic there clearly. Guys, all of you are getting my points now. After that, next one is like what there IO streams. Another topic. Another topic is like what there IO streams. Here, if you want to give stars there, just we can give 5 to 6 number of stars. That's it. Not more than that. 5 to 6 number of stars. This is another topic there. On the basis of these IO streams, another topic is like what I'm telling to you. After this IO streams, no. Next one is here we have to understand like what their networking. Networking, no stars are available. Next one is a RMI. Come on, guys. Now tell me what is this RMI actually? What is this RMI, guys? Now tell me. Any idea? At least abbreviation. Remote method invocation. RMI is what there? Remote method invocation. Of course, in our academics, you might be seeing RPC, remote procedure calls. Am I right or not? Same topic in Java, remote method invocation. In outside of the Java, procedure. Inside the Java, method. Method and procedure both are same. Nothing is there. So remote method invocation. This is one point, one topic here. After completion of this RMI, next one is another important topic is like what there? Arrays. Arrays. How to represent more than one element. Integer array. More than one element I want to represent with a single variable. There we have to go for like what there arrays topic here. It's a small topic only. All right, sir. Then after that, another important topic we are going to cover inside the core Java, that is like what there collection framework. Collection framework. If you want to give stars there for this, how many stars we are going to give there? No, just we can give 80 number of stars. 100 stars are given for what there? Object orientation. Object orientation is having 100 number of stars. Next immediate important topic. After the object orientation, next immediate important topic is what there? No, right, collection framework. Without this collection framework, there is no completeness of core Java. Its importance we are not going to see inside the core Java, but its importance we are going to see where there no, its importance we are going to see in J2EE technologies. In J2EE, we are going to see its effectiveness. Understand guys what I'm telling there? So because of that reason, collection framework here, we are going to understand effectively. Very good content we are having there about this collection framework. Understand it. After completion of this collection framework, extension of this collection framework, we are going to understand generics. Another topic is available. At present, we are not going to understand here. But anyway, just overall view I'm telling to you, try to understand it. First of all, what is this collection framework, guys? What is the meaning of collection framework? No, nothing else. Listen carefully. In my Java application, I have number of objects. What are the various objects are available? 10 number of student objects. Understand my point here? 10 number of student objects, 10 number of customer objects, 10 number of product objects, 10 number of account objects. All these many 10 are available. I get my point or not? To represent all these, if I take arrays now, only one type of elements only we are able to have. If I take arrays now, only one type of elements here we are able to have. Am I right or not? Just arrays is like what there? X box. Are you aware about X box? 1 dozen of X I want to keep in a box. That box is available, right? That box is designed for keeping only X. Is it possible to keep mangoes inside the X box? Come on here. Now tell me, answer for me. Is it possible to keep mangoes inside the X box? No, not possible. So that is nothing but array. Array in the sense only one type of elements. Student array allows only student objects, not allowing customer objects. I get my point or not? But what is my requirement? No, my requirement is 10 number of apples are available. 1 kg of grapes are available. 1 dozen of then what next? Mosambis are available. Maybe 1 dozen of bananas are available. All different types of fruits are available with me. But how am I able to carry all of them at a time? I want to carry all of them. I want to get all of them into my home. Then what I have to do? No, I have to take one carry bag or not. Inside this carry bag, I have to keep all these items. 1 dozen of Mosambis, 1 dozen of bananas, 1 dozen of mangoes, maybe sapotas, maybe all these things I have to keep inside this carry bag or not. I have to keep that carry bag on my shoulder and I'll move to my home or not. So carry bag is accommodating all the types of data or not. That is nothing but collection. Array is what there? X box. Only one type of elements. But a collection is what there? No, carry bag. It able to accommodate any type of data. Student objects may be, customer objects may be, product objects may be, like anything.
those of you who haven't spent much time with Flutter, we're an open source, portable UI toolkit designed to enable beautiful, fast experiences on any platform. With Flutter, we want to unleash you to build, test, and deploy beautiful mobile, web, desktop, and embedded applications from a single code base. So let's talk about the forward part. What's coming next? With this event, we want to give you some sneak previews of a lot of different